Another segment of could this have been avoided? I'm in the living room of this house and got two nice big bay windows here, and we'll show pictures of this throughout probably the end of the video. But mold mitigation people have already come through and cleaned this up, but right here is a big stain. Probably happened, I know, in this area. There was a big hailstorm a couple years ago. It knocked out windows, lots of rain, lots of wind-driven rain. And there was carpet in this area. It was an easy assumption that after the carpet felt dry on top that it was probably okay. The truth of the matter is underneath the carpet and the pad, it was still wet, was not remedied correctly, mold growing in this area. So a couple extra steps and the homeowner could have saved themselves some headache or risk of health. Is probably the bigger issue with mold, risk of health. But they didn't. They didn't pull the carpets back, and ultimately it was a moldy area that this new homeowner found.